Hey everyone, welcome back to the Inehub YouTube channel. Today, we've got some exciting news from the world of crypto that you won't want to miss. KuCoin, one of the leading global cryptocurrency exchanges, has just announced the world premiere listing of Grindery GX on their platform. That's right, Grindery is joining the KuCoin family, and it's a big deal for the crypto community. Let's dive into the details. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. So, what's Grindery all about? Grindery is a decentralized automation platform that connects Web3 applications and services seamlessly. Think of it as the glue that binds together decentralized workflows, making it easier for developers and users to interact with the blockchain ecosystem. And now, with the listing of its native token, GX, on KuCoin, the project is set to reach a whole new audience. Here's what you need to know. The trading pair will be GX USDT. Deposits are already open, so you can start moving your GX tokens to KuCoin. Trading will go live soon, so mark your calendars and get ready to trade. KuCoin is known for its user-friendly interface and robust security, making it the perfect platform for both seasoned traders and newcomers to explore the potential of GX. Why is this listing such a big deal? Well, Grindery is at the forefront of Web3 innovation. Its platform enables automation across decentralized applications, streamlining processes and saving time for users. With the GX token now accessible on KuCoin, more people can participate in this growing ecosystem, whether it's through staking, governance, or simply trading. If you're as excited about this listing as we are, now's the perfect time to join KuCoin and start trading GX. And hey, if you're new to KuCoin, you can use our referral code to get started. It's a win-win for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Inehub channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep exploring, keep trading, and stay ahead of the curve with Inehub. Bye for now.